Sir, I'm going to hold you in contempt if you don't tell me who tell me who this information was
I don't want to be held in
from.
contempt.
Well,
I'm not
then
answering that question. That's attorney-client privilege information. I am not answering
attorney-client privilege. Unless you were in my chambers, that's the only way you can figure out.
A defense attorney in the trial of a famous rapper asked Judge Ural Glanville to recuse himself from the case over allegations the judge tampered with a witness. Glanville denied his request on the spot.
How did you get that information supposedly from my chambers?
It was the latest twist in Young Thug's trial. It transformed into a drama playing out in Georgia's Fulton County Superior Court. It begins with allegations of a corrupt judge, the arrest of the rapper's attorney, and the prospect of a mistrial in a complex racketeering case eating up enormous public resources. Controversy surrounding the case escalated after Glanville charged Young Thug's attorney Brian Steele with contempt, as Steele was actively defending his client in the courtroom.
This is what I was told. Mr. Copeland made statements that he admitted to killing Donovan Thomas and was... Don't take my notes. No.
Young Thug, a Grammy-winning rapper whose legal name is Jeffrey Williams, was indicted in May 2022 on gang-related charges under the Racketeer Influenced and Corruption Organizations Act. The case is one of two high-profile RICO cases, which has devolved in District Attorney Fani Willis's jurisdiction. The other, an election interference case brought against former President Donald Trump. Trump's case is on hold indefinitely as an appellate court weighs accusations Willis had an irreversible conflict of interest as a result of her romantic past with a prosecutor. A key witness in Young Thug's trial, Kenneth Copeland, agreed to testify in exchange for immunity, but instead pled the fifth. Steele found out the judge, along with state prosecutors, met with Copeland behind closed doors in what is known as an ex parte, pressuring him to testify or threaten to charge him with perjury.
If that's true, what this is coercion, witness intimidation, ex parte communications that we have a constitutional right to be present for. So I understand that you're upset towards me, but I don't know what I did.
Mr. Steele, I still want to know, how did you come upon this information?
It's a violation of Georgia's Code of Judicial Conduct for a judge to have an ex parte meeting about certain issues as testifying. What raised more alarm was Glanville's reaction when he was confronted about it. Steele refused to reveal his source, refused to be taken into custody, and was escorted out of the courtroom by police.